What is up, guys? JD here with another everyday carry video. Today I am going to be taking my coated Spyderco Tenacious and I'm going to be doing a stone wash. So first thing I'm going to do is start with breaking down the blade. All right, guys, we had it in there for about 3 minutes. I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go wash it up and get the polish off of there and have a better look at it. Next, we will reassemble if it looks good and you guys can see the final product. But I think that looks really good. Definitely has a nice worn look to it. Really cool. Oh yeah, definitely. I don't know how well it comes out. That looks good. All right, let's see if we can get the fingernail polish off next. Yeah, a little bit of a stone wash going. Looks pretty cool. Let's put it back together. we are done. I'm really happy the way that this came out. It's a subtle mod, and it's probably really hard to pick up on the lighting, so I'll try to get a close-up of that, but it came out really nice. I like the way that it looks. It gave me the confidence to be able to do this with other blades. I worried about damaging it, and it's just ever so subtle, and I can't even really feel it with the fingertips, but you can see it kind of wore down the coating a little bit, so that was kind of cool. Anyway, hopefully this gave you guys the confidence to try something, to mod a knife and kind of customize it, make it your own. And really that's what it's all about. Learn something new. You get to customize a knife, personalize it to your flavor, your style, and learn something along the way. And that's really all I'm trying to do, is to share what I'm learning, hopefully encourage some people on trying to do something that they might not otherwise try to do. And you know, it's a lot of fun. And like I said, really just getting to personalize the tool and thing to you and your style. That's just so much fun, and it's so rewarding. I think that's the word that I was looking for. It is very rewarding. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for everything that I used to do this mod today. While you're down there, if you can leave a like, subscribe if you're enjoying the content. Tune in next time, see what else I'm gonna be doing. Thanks guys, God bless.